Welcome to our 2025 PBX System Guide. If you're looking to upgrade or understand business telephony, this video breaks down the three main types of PBX systems.
What is a PBX? PBX stands for Private Branch Exchange. It's a private telephone network used within a company to manage internal and external calls efficiently. Type 1, Traditional PBX. We have the Traditional PBX. Installed on premises, this system uses physical hardware to route calls. Type 2, IP PBX. Next is the IP PBX, which uses the internet to handle calls. It's flexible, scalable, and cheaper than traditional systems. Type 3: Hosted/Cloud PBX. Third is the Cloud PBX, also known as Hosted PBX. This system runs entirely in the cloud, no hardware needed.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video.